So next natin is yung ating bag. I'm also gonna give away a bag for Miss Cathy. This is actually my bag. It's pre-loved, but it's still in very good condition. Ayan siya. So this is BOC, Born Concept. This is actually really nice. Ayan. So very good condition pa siya. Ayan. So, syempre, it's actually a sling bag. Let me just show you. Adjust to. Ayan. So super nice, diba? It's cute, spacious. Nice ba? Ayan. So, syempre, of course, bago natin ibigay yung ating bag, kailangan natin maglagay ng pampaswerte. Ayan. Sana, swertihin ang bagong may-ari ng bag na to. Congratulations po ulit. Ayan. Congratulations ulit, Ma'am Cathy. Lagyan na po natin siya sa loob. Lagyan na po natin siya sa okay. Next po natin is yung ating school supplies and some other toys. So, si Ma'am Cathy, nag-request din siya sa akin ng school supplies for her daughter. So, I have here some coloring books and a backpack and some coloring materials, pens, scissors, and erasers. So, pakita ko lang siya sa inyo. Ito po yung ating mga school supplies. So, I have the marker. This is broad tip markers, classic washable markers. Ayan, super nice. I also have our set of pens. So, ayan, kung naggamit na ng ball pen ang ating mag-aaral. So, I have like a few packs over here. This is all, I got this all for clearance, guys. So, don't worry kung sa tingin nyo, grabe ma'am, ang dami kasi baka napamahal ka na. Hindi naman kasi I got this all for clearance. I got a different color pens as well. So, this is really nice. And some retractable pencils or mechanical pencils. That's how I say it. Some mechanical pencils. Sorry, medyo naalikabukan na kasi stuck ko to eh. So, ayan, mechanical pencils. These are all brand new. Ayan, para sa ating mag-aaral. Okay, I also have some erasers over here. Super cute erasers. And some other school supplies. So, i-flex ko lang siya sa inyo. I have the number 2 pencils. And I got this from Target. I also have the classic washable markers. So, it's like the other one a while ago. I got this all from Target. I know you guys know where I got this kasi if you're watching our videos, makikita nyo kung saan ko siya nakuha. I got some couple of scissors. So, again, supervise lang po tayo sa ating mga kids when they use scissors. I also have a couple of crayons. I also have a couple of crayons and a glue. Ayan. Pantagdag sa school supplies ng mga Janakis ni Ma'am Cathy. Okay. Here you go. So, lagyan na po natin siya ulit sa ating okay. Next po natin is yung ating mga coloring book. So, I got a couple of coloring books over here na nakuha ko from Dollar Tree. So, ito siya. So, since my kids si Ma'am Cathy is going to be perfect. So, I got a couple. I have actually a lot. So, she has I think she has a 6-year-old daughter. Ayan. So, and a 3-year-old son. 3-year-old son. So, ayan. Perfect for the kiddos. And I got a jumbo coloring book. Pakita ko lang siya sa inyo. Ayan. More coloring book. Princess coloring book. Ayan. Okay, perfect para dun sa inyong mga markers tsaka crayons na na-receive with this Balikbayan box. Next po natin is some more stuff for the kids. So I have this and this. And it's like an art set. So it's not really bad. It's actually really nice. Ayan. So super nice siya for the kids. Next are yung ating, what do we call this? I got some pre-loved books over here. So, ito po ay pre-loved, got donated to us. So, I got one from Cars, the opposites. Ito ko lang siya sa inyo. So, super nice pa itong mga to. It's like almost new. Ayan. Oh my god, look at that. It's fluffy. It's a bunny. More books. Books and books and books. Para sa kids ni ma'am. Ayan. So, I have another one here. Dizzy Dragon. Oh, googly eyes. Googly eyes. Ayan. Sana ma-enjoy ng kids ito. Some of our toys over here. So, I have this little animal toys. Ayan siya. These are also donated to us. Some other, ayan po, domestic animals and wild animals and some dinosaurs. Ayan, magugustuhan to nung anak ni Ma'am Cathy, especially yung kanyang little boy. Ayan, lagyan na natin siya dito. Okay. Of course, next po natin ay yung ating, of course, di nawawala ang ating cereal. Ating cereal. Ha? And hindi nawawala ang ating chocolate. It's a bag of chocolate. Ma'am, congratulations again ha. Ang dami nito. Ayan po. Enjoy. Of course, the cookies na medyo na wala na siya sa kanyang form. Medyo na, na dislocate. Ayan. Lagyan na rin natin yung sumuli ka talaga yung cookies natin kasi baka maduro siya pag siya ay nasa pinakailalim. Okay. Next po natin, ay ito pa pala. Nakalimutan ko itong ilagay. Meron din po nito, isa pang toy para sa little girl ni Ma'am Cathy. Ayan. So, siksik na natin siya. So, last but not the least is yung ating backpack. Ayan. So, i-flex ko lang si backpack kung anong itsura niya. Okay. Ayan po. So this is for Ma'am Cathy's little girl because she requested a backpack for her daughter. So super nice. Malaki siya, guys. Super malaki siya for 6 years old. So matagal niya magagamit nito. Okay. I hope you enjoy your backpack, darling. Ito natin siya. So, eto na po ang ating final na itsura ng ating Balikbayan box. So, ilagay na po natin lahat ng items sa loob. And, isasara na po natin siya. Ayan. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy our video for today. Again, maraming salamat Tuti everyone sa inyong suporta sa ating Balikbayan box for Tuti. Please do not forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Balikbayan Box for Tuti. And follow our page, Balikbayan Box for Tuti. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat po kayo. You guys are blessed and you guys are loved. Thank you so much. Bye, Tuti. Bye, everyone.